3 o'r gloch. Dim sbectol. Croeso. Croeso I 10 am 3. Helen dwi. Shwd I chi? Heddiw, yn Ton yr Efail, mae hi'n oer. Dwi'n oer. Mae hi'n wyntog. But today, Gwers 22. First of all, can I apologise for the poor sound quality yesterday? Possibly something to do with the weather, and hopefully we'll be a bit better today, although it's still oer a gwyntog. But Derek says, my Derek and dweud, the forecast is looking better for next week, so hopefully the sound will improve as well. Prynhawn da. Okay, let's do a little recap. Ddoe, yesterday, we had the phrase golchi dwylo, which put into the command form is golcha dy ddwylo. Da iawn. Tidy your room. Taclusa dy ystafell. And we also did the command do or make. Gwna. Gwna. Do your work. Gwna dy waith. Do your homework. Gwna dy waith cartre. Make your bed. Gwna dy wely. Da iawn. Now, as I've been emphasising all week, these are the commands for un person. It's the informal T. So heddiw, dyn ni'n dysgu chi. I can actually speak to all of you, and it's going to be really easy after the groundwork we've done with T. So without even teaching you, I'm going to give you some commands, instructions, and I want you to make a mime for what I'm doing. Okay? Darllenwch. I want to do it myself. Dim mimio chi. Dawsiwch. Sgiwch. Gyrwch. Smwddiwch. Bitwch. Codwch. Eisteddwch. Da iawn. I hope you understood all of those. So, dwi'n meimio gyda chi. Okay? Darllenwch. Yeah? Dawsiwch. Da iawn. Sgiwch. Well, I've never skied in my life, so it's probably a terrible mime, but I'm skiing. Sgiwch. Da iawn. Gyrwch. Smwddiwch. Da iawn. Bitwch. Codwch. Get up, yeah? Codwch. Ac eisteddwch. Sit down. Eisteddwch. Yeah? Okay. Nawr, dwi'n meimio. You tell me what to do. Dim Cymraeg from me, all the Cymraeg from you. Dwi'n meimio. Okay? Gyrwch. Darllenwch. Dawsiwch. Ar y pist. Sgiwch. Bitwch. Gyrwch. Smwddiwch. Codwch. Eisteddwch. Da iawn. So, as you can see, what we're doing here is we're putting an wch ending rather than the a. If I'm speaking to one person, coda. More than one person, codwch. Eistedda. More than one person, eisteddwch. Gyrra. More than one person, gyrwch. So easy. Dim problem? Okay. Now, Dych chi'n cofio, do you remember the way to tell one person go? Da iawn, cer. Yeah, so it's a little bit different. The chi form is actually closer to these. It's simply ewch, ewch, ewch. A chi? Ewch, ewch, ewch. So you try, go to bed. Ewch i'r gwely. Go and play. Ewch i chwarae. Dych chi'n cofio, do you remember we need to say ewch I. Ewch i chwarae. Go and play a game. Ewch i chwarae game. Go and watch cyw. Ewch i wylio cyw. So this wch is for when we're speaking to more than one person. So particularly useful if you've got more than one child yn y cartre. Dim ysgol, not in school at the moment. Or of course, as a sign of respect to an older person. So you might not be ordering them around so much. Da iawn. Okay. Do you remember to do or to make is gwneud. Command, gwna. Gwnewch. 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 Go, ewch. Do or make, gwnewch. And as we did with the T forms, we quite often with do have to put a yor in. So we can't say dy now because dy goes with T. We need to say eich. Eich. It's like saying eh with ach. Eich. Try it. Eich. No mutations. Hooray. So your phone, eich phone. Te. Eich te. Pysgod. Eich pysgod. Pensil. Eich pensil. Coffi. Eich coffi. Pêl. Eich pêl. Eich pêl rygbi. Cap. Eich cap. Car. Eich car. So, have a listen. Gwaith. Gwnewch eich gwaith. Do your work. Gwnewch eich gwaith. 4 times. 4 gwnewch eich gwaith. Do your homework. Gwnewch eich gwaith cartre. Bed. So, gwna, un person, gwnewch. Da iawn. So, that's enough new work for today. I want to teach you one nice phrase. Gwnewch eich gorau. Gwnewch eich gorau. Gorau yw best. So do your best. Gwnewch eich gorau. A chi? Gwnewch eich gorau. Gwnewch eich gorau. Da iawn. And at this time, of course, so many people are doing their level best to keep us safe. Gwnewch eich gorau. Good message for us all. That's it. Heddiw, dydd Iau. And the man for tonight, 8 gloch, yw clapiwch. 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 Before I leave you, I'll give you a word. You give me the mime. Gewch. Sgiwch. Darllenwch. This time, I mime, you give me the word. Bitwch. Bitwch eich brecwast. Bitwch eich swper. Bitwch eich pysgod. It's good for you. Mae'n dda. Bitwch eich pysgod. Ta iawn. So, bai chi fory. I'll see you tomorrow. But remember, cofiwch. Remember, that's a command. Cofiwch, 8 o'r gloch. Clapiwch. Diolch. Hwyl.